What's up, Catzz Money Army? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 8 high-yield savings accounts. That's right, we will talk about which high-yield savings account to invest in, as well as which one offers the highest rate. Please do me a huge favor. Smash the like button and subscribe. It would really help me out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. How is a high-yield savings account similar to a regular savings account? Well, I am glad that you asked that question. So a high-yield savings account is really similar to a regular savings account in that both accounts do not allow you to write checks against it. Hence the meaning savings account. Also, a high-yield savings account and regular savings accounts typically both accumulate interest on a daily basis, but they pay out on a monthly basis. Interest rate or annual percentage yield, the number fluctuate, meaning just because it may display over 4% interest right now, that percentage doesn't last forever. Okay, next, let's talk about the differences between a high yield savings account and a regular savings account. First, keep in mind that a high yield savings account typically don't have any physical location. They're all online banks. Maybe this is not an issue for most people, but some people do prefer having that physical location for them to stop in and talk to a customer service. The second point that I also want to mention, and this is the most important one, is that it's called high yield savings account because it offers a higher interest rate, and typically it has anywhere from 10 to 20 times higher interest rate than a regular savings account. Next, let's dive into the 8 high yield savings accounts. Let's go. Okay, for our first high yield savings account, we have Valley Direct. Valley Direct offers a whopping 4.0% APY. That's 16 times more than the national average. Man, this is good. This is good, man. Wow. 4.0% APY. That's more than most savings accounts that I know. Online high yield savings account backed by Valley Bank. 95 plus years of helping people save. 24/7 online and mobile access. FDIC insured up to $250,000. That's actually really important to know because if something went south, then the federal government will actually insure up to $250,000 of your money. Only $1 minimum deposit to open. That's a plus in my book. It takes less than 10 minutes to start saving for your future. Damn right. No fees. We don't charge any maintenance fees. Easy access. Add and remove funds whenever you need to. They use encryption and secure processes to help ensure your money is safe. Man, this sounds promising. For high yield savings account number 2, we have Ivy Bank. And Ivy Bank offers a whopping 4.05% APY. Okay, let's check out some benefits. Account can be opened up in minutes. Oh, $2,500 minimum opening balance. That's a turnoff for me. Apparently just 2 savings options. There's the 4.05% high yield savings account that requires a $2,500 minimum opening balance. And there's also a 4.03% 1-month treasury yield index savings account. And that also requires a $2,500 minimum opening balance. High rate, but honestly not everyone has $2,500 saved up like that. Up next, we have Customers Bank. Customers Bank has a high yield digital savings account of 4.05% APY. Okay, that's similar to the previous one. They also offer a 20-month certified deposit, and the certified deposit requires a minimum of $1,000 to open. That will earn 3.50% APY. They also have a max savings account. The max savings account does not require any minimum balance to earn APY of 4.05%. Cha-ching! What is the difference between APY and interest rate? The annual percentage yield APY reflects the interest rate and the effect of the frequency of interest compounding. For example, daily during a 365-day period, The interest rate is the annualized rate applied to the principal balance of the account each day in order to determine the amount of interest that has accrued on that day's principal balance. Okay, that's good to know. Annual percentage yield factor in the interest being compounded on a daily basis. The APY is a better effective rate to use because a lot of times when you put money in your savings account, you will let it sit there and accumulate interest on a daily basis. Here is a pro tip. When comparing high yield savings account, make sure that you're comparing it apples for apple. Sometimes websites will mention annual percentage yield and sometimes they'll mention interest rate. Annual percentage yield and interest rate are two different metrics. Keep that in mind. Okay, for our fourth high yield savings account, we have Shelve 5 Direct. Wow, Shelve 5 Direct offers a high yield savings of 4.10% APY. Okay, that's slightly higher than the previous one. Let's check out this website. It says here, special CD promo rate for a limited time, 3.25% APY, 24-month certified deposit. They also offer 3% APY, 6, 9, and 12-month certified deposit. They offer a couple of options here. E1 savings. Let's see what this is about. Okay, this is the 4.10% APY on every dollar for balances up to $1 million. Open in minutes with just a $10 deposit. I think this is still good. It's close to $0 minimum. No minimum balance and no monthly fees. I like that. That's a plus in my book. Cha-ching. That's a plus in my book. That's a plus in my book. Okay, the first $250,000 per depositor is insured by FDIC. Let's see what else they got. Added benefits, no commitment, move money in and out whenever you want, free online banking and mobile banking app, mobile deposit and text alerts, external transfer to move money easily. I like this. It won 2 awards. Bank Rate Top Online Bank 2020, Forbes Advisor Best of 2022 Online Banks. Oh, I like that. Okay, for our fifth high yield savings account, we have this company called UFB Direct. I'm not sure what does UFB stands for. UFB Best Savings. Exceed your savings goals with 4.11% APY. Wow, that top off the previous high yield savings account. Ditch your old rate. Earn 4.11% APY with 0 monthly maintenance fees. I like that. Okay. Features. Earn 4.11% APY. No monthly maintenance fees. No minimum deposit required to open an account. Access your funds 24/7 with easy to use digital banking tools. Enjoy peace of mind with FDIC insurance up to the maximum allowance limit. Ooh, I like this. So effectively, it's 4.11% versus 4.03%, assuming if we have a balance between $0 up until $9,999.99. Even if we were to add more money to it, like $100,000 plus, it will still give us the same APY of 4.11%. Okay, the next high yield savings account we have is Basque Bank. According to this, Basque Bank is 12 times the national average. Currently, it offers a 4.15% APY with 0 monthly account fees. Of course, it says annual percentage yield is variable and subject to change. National average rate as of December 19th, 2022 per FDIC.gov. No minimum balance requirement. Must fund within 15 business days of account opening. That sounds good to me. So as of January 10th, 2023, it offers a 4.15% APY and it offers a 4.07% interest rate. I said it earlier and I will say it again. When we look at the annual percentage yield, it factors in the interest compounded on a daily basis, whereas the interest rate metric does not factor that in. Okay, I see a couple of 5 stars rating. And of course, they probably only put the highest ratings on their website. That's probably them being biased.
What?
It's unlikely they would put bad customers' review on their website. For our next high-yield savings account, we have Popular Direct. And Popular Direct, let's see. Woo! Popular Direct offers a 4.16% APY. Booyah! Booyah! Sorry about that. I need to keep this professional. Moving along. Popular Direct High-Rise Savings. $5,000 minimum deposit. So they offer digital services. They have an online and mobile banking tools to review and manage your account anytime, anywhere from your computer or mobile device. Customer support. Okay, I like this. And they offer a calculator here. Now let's see what happens if we were to put in some numbers. Let's say we put in $1,000. How much do you want to save? $1,000. Monthly, I'll put $0. So 0 is not an option. Let's say we put in $100 every month. Their calculator outputs a chart with our rate of 4.16% APY. It will only take you 1 month to reach your savings goal. They offer competitive rates, access on the go, whether it's desktop or mobile, FDIC insured. They have around-the-clock support. I'm not sure if it means 24 hours or not. For our final high-yield savings account, we have My Savings Direct. My Savings Direct offers, ready for this? 4.35% APY. Woo! 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 What? What the fuck? Damn! Woo! Wait! Man, 4.35%? That's insane. I believe this is the most I've heard of any given savings account. 4.35%? Man, 4.35% is higher than some of the money market funds. Wow. Here are some highlights. No fees, no minimums. Okay, okay. I like the sound of that. Open your high interest savings account online. It's quick and easy. No need to change your checking account. Your My Savings account will be linked to your current checking account. Access your high-yield savings account 24/7 at mysavingsdirect.com. Have a question? They offer certified deposits, anywhere from 60 to 120 month terms. Certificate of deposit available at 2% APY. Why the hell would I want to deposit in CDs that offer a lower APY than a savings account? Minimum deposit of $1,000. No thank you. They also offers mortgage rates. Call me stupid, but if someone were to factor in the no minimum balance with the highest interest rate, My Savings Direct wins those two categories. Now, I'm not sure about the customer service and other features, but if we're strictly talking about those two criteria, 0 minimum balance and highest interest rate, My Savings Direct is the best option compared to those previous 7 high-yield savings accounts that I mentioned earlier. Always make sure that the banks or FDIC, just in case if anything happens to that bank, always do your own due diligence by going to google.com, look for scams, customers' reviews to see what current customers are going through. That will give you a better sense of the bank's customer service as well as any kind of feature they may offer besides the highest interest rate and $0 minimum balance. The next question that you're probably wondering is, Money Mike, what kind of savings account do you have? Oh, well, thanks for asking me. Well, I have 3 savings accounts that I sign up to, and I have mentioned this on my previous videos. The first one that I signed up to is from PayPal, and PayPal offers a 3.75% annual percentage yield. You know, that's not as high as our high yield savings account, but you know, it's still higher than most savings account. And the reason why I went with PayPal is because I have most of my side hustles payment transferred to my PayPal. I'm able to transfer my side hustles money over to my savings account. It will allow my account to grow automatically. Now the second savings account I have is Yotta. Yotta has a lottery ticket system feature that makes it stands out, similar to like Powerball and Mega Millions. For example, if we were to hit all 5 numbers and the Yotta ball, you could potentially win up to $1 million. Now, of course, the jackpot is not as high as Mega Millions or Powerball. Every night, you have a chance to win up to $1 million. Even by hitting 2 numbers, you will still earn a couple of cents here and there. For every $25 you have in your savings account, that $25 translates to 1 ticket. 1 ticket is like 1 Powerball ticket where you have a chance to hit the jackpot. So the more money you have deposited in your Yotta savings account, the more chances you will have to win up to $1 million jackpot. My third savings account is actually a Swap Value Advantage money market fund. So it's not really a savings account, it's more like a money market fund. It offers a 4.27% APY. So if we factor in the net expense ratio of 0.34%, that will still net us 3.93% APY. It's still better than most savings account. I have money in my Schwab money market because I have Schwab as my checking as well as my investing account. So, you know, it just makes it more convenient for me to transfer any unused cash over to some sort of savings account where my account balances can never go down. It can only stay flat or go up. In rare circumstances, money market can lose money, and I believe it happened once back in 2008 when the financial market crashed. Other than that, it's safer to maybe get a savings account that's FDIC insured, and typically these FDIC insured goes up to $250,000. Catzz Money Army, thank you so much for watching this video. Much love is appreciated. And as always, there are 1,000 ways to make money. Cha-ching!